Welcome to Rankteach. Today we learn how to set up nearby share means quick share on your computer. First of all, you have to go to Google Chrome. Then type Google nearby share. Find the heading the new quick share app. Enter the official website android.com. Scroll down. Click get started. Now open the downloaded file. Double click on the file. Click on run. Please wait. Now click close. Type quick share from the search box. Double click on it to run. Now click on sign in. Enter any of your emails. Click next. Enter your password. Again click next. If your email is secured, then verify it. If you want to change the verification method, click cancel. Now click on try another way. Choose how you want to sign in. Check your phone and verify it. Click on sign in. Now enter your computer name in quick share. In receiving, choose who can share with you. Click on the arrow. Here I am selecting everyone. Now click on done. You can change who you want to receive from in quick share anytime. If you want to send something, then drop files or folders here to send, or select. Thanks for watching.